Dati guys, akala ko yung volcano is ito. Yan oh. Hindi pala. Yan pala. Yung pumutok na. Yan. Oh. Ganda.
The volcano's right there, my love.
Guys, maybe. Oh, lamig. Yung buhok ko nagtayuan. Guys, oh. Pag.
Yeah, what's this place called? People's Park.
Yeah, People's Park over there.
The highest point. It's the highest point.
Highest point. And
10,000 feet.
People's Park. Yan yung aking mga kasenatsan niya. Enjoy sila. Si asawa.
The property.
Mga nagmarites guys. Hello. Oh.
Bakit ba ganyan ang unang pag-ibig? Labis na kay hirap namang sambitin. Di masabi sa...
Guys, so foggy na guys, oh. Ah. So guys, oh, yan guys. Over there. Guys, pila. Oh my God. Casino Filipino. We're gonna go in casino. Ang lapit lang pala, buing. Dati dito ang parking, oh. Kaso pag... Ay, dito kami sa Sky Ranch. Ganda itong nasunod dyan, no? Kasi nga yung mukha mo ba? We're at Sky Ranch. Guys, Sky Ranch. 50 pesos for the car. And lost and overnight. Oh really? They have overnight here too? What they gonna do here in Sky Ranch for overnight? Maybe like overnight for ride? Finally, may nakuha kami. Okay. We are the ones.
Where is Colleen? Oh,
Kalin, over
no,
there.
Where's France?
They're waiting in the entrance. They're waiting in the entrance.
Okay.
Hi guys. Hi. Ay. Grabing tao guys. Oh my God, Monday na.
Nakita natin sila dito.
Ha?
Nakita natin.
Ano yan? What?
Ha?
Don't look at me to do. I just do whatever you want to do.
Golf cart. We don't have ticket for that.
Grabe.
Hindi kumikita
Ano? Saan tayo? Saan gusto niyo ano? We're gonna go there, oh?
Go karts.
My ticket. We have.
Uy, dali, bibigyan mo ako. Magbibigay ba dyan ng pera? bumper car. You wanna enjoy the bumper car though. Hi guys, nandito kami sa... Diyos ko, napakaraming tao pala guys.
Yeah.
Oh. Tapos mamaya, mali. Wow. It's raining, it's not good. Ayan. Ayan, te. Gusto mo? Ay, na-try nyo na din sa ano kasi, no? Where's the bumper car? Maybe not here.
I don't know though.
Maybe here. Come on. Si asawa lang. Kasama si asawa.
Oh shit. I'm not gonna hunt the thing down. Oh, God.
Guys, ito kami sa Sky Ranch. Guys, ito naman. Oh. I'll go ha. I'll go back. Yami, saan yung ano? Yam, wala? Ang bumper car. Ha? Saan? Doon pala? Ah, okay. At least, nandun. Ah. Guys, ang ganda. Oh my God. Uy.
Uy na kayo?
Si asawa. Kawawa. Kawawa si asawa.
I didn't realize those were enclosed.
Ha? Para kaming basang sisiw, guys. Oh. Yun. It's you. Para kami basang sisiw. Ah. My love. My love, oh.
Yeah,
We're
okay.
the only one.
Oh.
My love her. Ah, ganun ba yun? Pero ito, gusto niya to pizza man. Italian kitchen. Ah, ito. Ah, dito tayo sa Italian. Open na ba to? Parang walang tao.
Over the tables.
Maybe it's open now. Maybe it's open. Ah, it's open, no? Open. Hoy, parang tayo lang yung first customer. We are the one who first customer here, guys. So, careful, mama. Mama slow, mama slow. Are they open? Guys, hoy, mama slow. Hello. 7. 7. Oh, here. Uy, ganda. Hi, guys. Magpa-picture tayo mamaya na ano. Kala namin hindi open. Kasi parang kami pa lang yung ano eh. We can sit here, my love.
Yeah, let's sit right here.
Okay. Okay.
Alam mo, hindi masakit yung pinagpasasabi mo sa akin. Napatay gutom ako. Bakit? Di ba yun sa masakit? Eh, ikaw nga, inuulim mo yung kalapati. Sabi na tara, Juela, kung huli natin yung kalapati, kuhain natin.
Nag-i-enjoy lang si Asam. Ah,
He's almost.
my love.
They're up there.
They're up there?
Yes.
Ah, how do you know? How
The
you-
numbers 11,
Ah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Oh my
5.
God.
Now they're past the halfway point. They're going up
Oh
to the
guys,
top.
hindi ko kaya yan.
Oh shit.
Oh my God, hindi ko kaya yan. Are you in line now? Oh, okay. Ay, ganda dito. Ganda. Ah. Guys, ang ganda. Good morning. Oh, coffee with view. Coffee with view. Coffee with view, guys. O, diba? Nagpa-fog.
Yung nagkakape ka lang, tapos bigla mo ito narinig.
Hawak-hawak ko pa rin ngayon yung baso ng kape. Naaalala ko pa rin yung mga ngiti mo kagabi. Kahit na
Kape, guys. Kape. Good morning.
I
Guys.
here. Oh, shit.
Grabe, guys, oh. Grabe ka fog. Kanina may view pa, no? Ngayon, hindi mo na makita.
You can't even see the building next door.
I know. Oh my God. Guys, oh, nawala na yung building. Ha. Yun lang. Wala na, guys. Wala ka na makita. Hello? Like, oh guys, oh. Guys, oh, tingnan mo, view. Wala na. Oh my God. Ganito pala lag minsan dito. What is this, my love? It's like a clouds.
Ball. Ball rolling in.
Oh my God. You know, imagine when you fly like this, you know, in an airplane and you can see anything. Ang ganda na ulit, guys. Oh, diba? Ang ganda na ulit. Kita na yung Sky Ranch. Yung building, kita na rin. Tsaka yung view mo na taal. Kanina, grabe, parang fog. Oh, ayan na naman ang fog. Papunta dito.